Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get two different anime style filters on Instagram. It's really easy and let me show you how. So first open Instagram and then you need to go on the Explorer that is between home and upload button on the bottom. And if you want to look for the first one, you need to write on the search Masco Pad, right? And as you can see here, it will be the first one, Masco Pad, and with the Russian letters. And then what you need to do here, you need to press on his filters here. And as you can see here, it will be the first, probably the first ones, and the first one is real anime and another one is animal style. So click whatever you want, and then as you can see here on the bottom left, you can try it out. So this is the first one. And if you want to look for another one, you need to also go back on search and you need to write Vivendi Saputra, as you can see here, the first one. And also you need to then go on his filters above his posts or her and press on that. And as you can see here, you need to scroll down for a bit. And as you can see here, it will be anime style filter. So you need to scroll down for a while, and as you can see here, this is the filter. You can click, and also you can try it out. This one, basically what you need to do here is to click on a bottom left. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.